how to turn on or turn off force dark mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the Edge or the Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. Next, in here, we then scroll down again. And then tap on force dark mode. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Here's the force apps to use dark mode even if not fully supported. So when you turn it on, even if the app is not supported, it will be forced to use dark mode. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.